Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing super short. Yes, sirree. We are going to make ourselves a citrus and herb compound butter today. Yes, we are. We can use that on steaks. We can use it on seafood, on chicken, on pork, heck, just about anything you can think of. But before we can get our citrus butter out to our planetary population, well, we do have a little bit of business we got to take care of. So why don't we get started by, well, as you know by now, let's roll the open. All right, our compound butter is going to consist of, we're going to use a stick of butter. We're going to have a lemon. We're going to have a zest of that same lemon. We got a little bit of garlic powder. We've got a little bit of fresh basil and fresh long leaf parsley and a little bit of salt. Kind of simple, kind of straightforward. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and get ourselves started with our stick of butter. Now, butter is at room temperature, so it's nice and soft, as you can see. Let's see, we're going to put this into a small food processor, just like that. Now, right here, we've got, this is the zest of one lemon, which is this one lemon. We're going to put that in there, just like so. This is about a teaspoon and a half of granulated garlic, and over here we've got I think there's about 2.5 leaves, two big leaves and a small leaf of fresh basil. And this is I'm gonna say probably, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, or probably 2 teaspoons of our long leaf parsley. I think that's probably 2 teaspoons of each of those. So we can come in here with that, get that in there. Oh yeah. Now we're going to come in with a little small pinch of salt, and now we're going to come in with our lemon, and we're going to add the juice of this lemon, just like so. Look at that. Oh yeah, that is going to be so good. And lemon half number 2, just like that. Just like that. That simple, that easy. Oh man, check that out. Now, we're going to come in here, get that out of the way. We're going to put our top on, and now we're going to pulse a few times. This is actually a forward and backwards, so we're going to do that a few times to combine all of our ingredients. Do just like that. Oh man, you can smell it. I'm gonna run it backwards. I like that option. That's kind of neat. Okay, I think that is it. Man, we made some good noise too, didn't we? Yes. Oh man, smells good. Yes, it does. Now, let's see. We're gonna take our little chopper out. Yes, we are. Come in, remove this, move you back to the back. And check this out. Oh man, that is awesome. Just like so. All of these great flavors are going to come out when we top some shrimp or some lobster. Oh man, that is awesome. Yes, it is. Quick, simple. You do have to let your butter come to room temperature so you can mix it in there. Man, you can check that out. You've got all your herbs, your basil, your parsley, your lemon zest is in there. A little bit of salt is going to kind of pull everything together. Now, what we're going to do to finish this out, we'll do that right now. We're going to take a little bit of this plastic wrap, which I always seem to have problems with. Let's see what we can do. We're going to put our butter, I don't know why it's so hard to do this, just like that. How about that? It worked. Okay, now we're going to take our compound butter, put it right in the middle, just like so. Oh yeah. And I'm going to come back and get this little one right here and put this together. We're going to roll it up. Oh man, yum yum. Like so. If I can grab a hold of this. Now, come in and we're going to roll this butter just like so into a nice little, almost like a little sausage, you know. But now we're going to put this, I'll roll it back this way. We're going to put this in the fridge, let it harden up, and then we'll be able to cut it in little small medallions for whatever we're going to top our lemon butter with. But there it is. Check it out. That's rolled up. It's going to be soon going into the freezer for a real quick shock, and then we're going to put it into the fridge and let it harden up. So, I'll tell you what, don't forget to join us on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Click that little notification bell so you'll know exactly when we upload anything new to the channel. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a little thumbs up also, and please leave any comments. Let us know how this butter turned out for y'all. And also there is a quick little recipe for you to download in the description below. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then. Okay, get Spider. All right, so here we are. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Drink, drink, drink. Send that out to my cousin Zach. Gin and tonic. Makes everything better. Anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about getting a couple of dogs. Name one gin, the other tonic. I don't know. It just popped in my head. That was stupid. Anyway. So, all right, let's see.